Today I will teach you how to add discount in the automated accounting system, Botkeeping. The first thing you need to do is log into your account. Type your company name, for example, I will type Shein Water, the name of the software developer, ripacmarketingsolution.com, then enter. Once you've reached the site, click the login button. Fill in the form with your email and password. Once you finished filling in, click Sign In. Once you entered, visit the Discount Settings module at the left side. Click Discount Settings. Then click the plus button above. We can start adding some details. First, type the name of the discount. Next is the rate of the discount. And lastly, the type of chart account. When all is filled, click the Create button. After filling in the field, a piece of information will appear. It informs the user that the operation that is taken is successful. Thank you for watching the video. For more videos about the automated accounting system, Botkeeping, click the subscribe button below, or you can visit us on our website and Facebook page in the link that is shown. Have a good day ahead.